back to Ramya EduTech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you about Infosys Springboard Pragati program exclusively for women. I got selected in this internship and Infosys Springboard opens registrations for Pragati Path to Future program for women. This program helps you in self-growth, career development, leadership skills, professional advancement. It is a 12-week program, mostly online. One last week will be offline at Infosys office. It is a free opportunity for every woman. The eligibilities are women who are 18 and above, whether you are a student looking for a job, and everyone can apply. Registration for males are automatically cancelled. This program will follow a hybrid model with 1 week out of 12 held various Infosys campuses and offices. The remaining 2 months will be conducted virtually. Participants of previous cohorts are not eligible. This is the cohort 3 program. You have to complete at least one course in Infosys Springboard to get eligible to this internship. If you are eligible and got selected for this internship, they will inform you through the mail. Feel free to apply and Infosys will contact you if you get selected. If you have any questions, email to Infosys support team. Okay, thank you. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, like, share to your friends. Bye.